this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now, go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright everyone, today's short video is going to be about a concept that I preach over and over and over again. In fact, you're going to see this in, here's the thing, I get a little repetitive sometimes in some of my training videos, but the reality is if you just take the basic concepts that I teach you, you can take your Forex trading to a whole new level. And here's the concept, and I want you to get this very clearly. 80% of the time, a foreign currency pair trades in a range, or what you call a channel. Okay, and we're going to basically have a short overview of basic support and resistance. In fact, in another video, I'm going to actually explain support and resistance and why it is important in a different video. We'll talk about swing trading and different swings. But today we're going to talk about trading in ranges, or what you call channels. And 80% of the time, a currency pair trades in a range or in a channel. And I want to show you this on this chart that I'm looking at right now. Now, this is about a 5-month period on one of my favorite currency pairs, which is the euro pound. Because of the way the correlation between the euro and the pound, they're pretty much in sync most of the time. This pair does not move too much, but it moves enough to really grab a lot of pips. In fact, I'll show you that some trades we've been taking on this pair over the last few months. I haven't actually lost a trade on this pair in over 2 months. So very solid pair anyway. But let's talk about trading in a channel. And you have different types of trends. You have an uptrend, downtrend, and a sideways channel. Okay, so let's talk about uptrend. This right here on the New Zealand dollar yen is an uptrend. Okay, we're trending up. Okay, we're talking about trading in a channel. Where'd my euro pound go? There we go. Is when the market goes sideways for a little while. Okay, now this is an unbelievable opportunity to pull a lot of pips out of the market. I know a lot of traders hate going sideways. I love when the market goes sideways. So let's start drawing some lines here. You can see here how price has had a struggle between this 8,600 and 8,500 over here back at the end of 2011 and fall of 2011. So let's draw a line here. Even though, yes, it broke through a little bit, but for the most part, you can see that this area here, 8,600, is a very strong resistance point. And then we're going to draw a line down here, 8,500, that price had a very difficult time breaking through that. Okay, so this channel here isn't the most perfect channel. In fact, you could tighten this channel up a little bit here and see that you actually had a lot more opportunities. So even if we took the channel here, there was opportunities to, once you saw that this price was going to hold pretty solid, which over here, you could see that price was going to hold pretty solid right there. You could have started taking sell opportunities. The very next day you could have bought. Of course, when I sell here, I don't wait for it to come all the way down to the line to close out my profit, because sometimes the price doesn't move all the way. For instance, if you would have bought here around this 85.25 mark, price didn't come all the way up to the 8,600 mark, right? So I usually cut my trades early to pull the profit out. Again, one of my philosophies is pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. So anyway, that's the channel. But here's the channel that I really want to show you. And this is where this pair has been really running for the last few months. And we have traded this thing over and over and over and over again. And that is between the 8,300 and 8,400 mark. In fact, it's there now. In fact, we're live in a trade right now. And we're going to be closing our profit out somewhere around here. And it doesn't look like it's going to hit that today, but Monday, Tuesday, we could hit that. But we took a trade a couple days ago when we bought down here and sold somewhere up in this range, took a profit, bought down here. I think with 3 or 4 trades we've taken this week on this pair alone, and have pulled 160 pips this pair alone. But all through here, we've taken trades. We've taken sell opportunities, buy opportunities, sell, buy over and over and over again. And we had our stop loss. Once price eventually broke up to 8,500, we had put our stop losses on these short positions up here just in case that thing would want to take a run for the border again. But now at this point, anytime I go short on this pair, I'm going to keep the stop tight on this. I'm going to keep it right around here, 84.31. And if price goes up, we'll get stopped out. And we'll take the next trade, and we'll take another run down. But anyway, let me delete that. If it'll let me delete it. I don't know why it's not letting me delete that. Anyway, no big deal. So anyway, you can see that price just keeps running in this channel, or what's called a range. So listen, folks, when you start looking at your charts, this is a daily chart. I like looking at the daily chart and looking at these ranges because you can easily see if price is here, you can easily see that I'm going to put a sell position at 8,400. And I'll take my profit out somewhere around this range right in here, okay, before you get to the mark, because it may not push all the way through. And when you do that, and at the same time I would have a buy position here and close out my profit around here. So in one shot, before you go to bed, you can literally have a sell limit order and a buy limit order in at the same time, and you're basically buying and selling these swings up and down off of these channels and ranges. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.